Oh boy. That's good broccoli, huh, Tinkie? Yeah. Eat it. I know. You like broccoli? Huh? Oh boy. So we like strawberries too. It's funny she likes broccoli more though. I just want to show Tinkie using her feet. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. I guess I can show you Tinkie's house. The big one with all the toys, and she has a little hoop deal that she sets in. My little lovebird is trying to open the door. You better leave it alone, Uni. He wants out. He's mad. Tinkie's out. Eat it, Tinkie. Oh, we dropped it. Hold on. Okay. There you go. Can you grab it? Get it. Here. You gotta grab it. You don't want it? No, you ain't getting my finger. Here. Are you done? Huh? You done? Well, take it. I'm gonna drop it. Grab it. Okay. She's done. Say hello, Tinkie. Say hello. I'm not feeding you. No, I'm not gonna feed you. You're a big girl. Here, take your broccoli. Take it. Take it. Get it. Come on. Okay. But yeah, she'll sit and beg and beg and beg. Poor thing. She'll get over it. Say bye, Tinkie. Say bye. Say bye, Tinkie.